So, who doesn't think about their liver? I certainly do. Well, the good news is that it can usually repair itself. I'm Stuart from Infotainme Now, and this is 10 foods to help repair your liver. And if you like this video, please don't forget to like and hit that subscribe button. It really means the world to us. Number 1. Cruciferous vegetables. They're full of phytonutrients, carotenoids and flavonoids that help neutralize toxins. 2. Beetroot. High in antioxidants and nutrients. 3. Organic eggs. Excellent source of nutrients that support the liver. 4. Citrus fruits. Lemons and limes contain citric acid, potassium, vitamin C, and bioflavonoids. Number 5. Leafy greens. Leafy greens also contain chlorophyll, which helps to purify the blood. Number 6. Garlic. Garlic is rich in allicin, vitamin C, vitamin B6, and selenium. 7. Berries. Berries, such as blueberries and cranberries, are packed with powerful nutrients. Number 8. Herbs. Herbs such as milk thistle, ginger, dandelion roots, cilantro, garlic, and turmeric are powerful for detoxification. 9. Avocado. This is basically a superfood, and it's awesome for everything. 10. Last but not least, green tea. Green tea is rich in polyphenol antioxidants, which are more powerful than vitamin C or vitamin E and have extraordinary health benefits. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe. And please let us know what you think in the comments below. See you again soon.